We're finishing up the emergency lighting. It is a Thursday and we're in Barrington, Rhode Island, and I got more line voltage tied into this low voltage outdoor remote head, so I had to fix that. We're also going to finish up the rest of the exit signs. As you can see, they were starting to heat up a little bit too much, discoloring the plastic. As you can see, just how important it is to have this emergency lighting in rooms like the sprinkler rooms and mechanical rooms. As you can see, if the power goes out in there and these emergency lights don't work, it's just completely pitch black. I had to fix some of these other LED strip lights here. I had to replace those bulbs because that bulb was improperly installed, so I swapped out that bulb with a new one, and then we just retrofitted the rest of them out because the customer wanted it all changed out anyways. So we're going to recycle all those old bulbs and then replace them with all new LED ones. It really made a difference. It was super bright in here afterwards, and you know, they're going to save a lot of money on the electricity now. So as you can see, it was nice and bright. Now we're going to be retrofitting these recess lights. That's the first recess light that I went into. These old metal halide bulbs exploded in there. And then this is kind of what the fixture looks like. I also had to pull that piece of AZAC off because I couldn't get the housing out of there. So that was really tricky to do without breaking the AZAC. But we got it to work. And as you can see, this is how the fixtures work. It's got a little junction box compartment up there with a ballast for that metal halide. We're going to bypass the ballast and then wire it directly into the socket. As you can see, I'm kind of pointing that out right there. That's the flex that goes into the actual recessed light. And we're going to bypass and just directly wire into that, which is just going to power our LED bulb. And now, what I'm going to show you very shortly is that's what the bulb looks like inside of there. You know, we're going to set the setting to 5000K. And then this is what I like to do here. You got to make sure you bend that tab down there. That way it makes good connection. And then I tested this socket. It didn't work. Come to find out that it was actually burnt up. I didn't see that the hot leg actually burnt right off the socket. And that's what it looked like up close. So we're going to repair that tomorrow and fix the rest. So if you're in the Massachusetts or Rhode Island area and you're looking for a high quality electrician, give us a call. We are taking new clients.